Hello! Let's make a loaded potato chicken casserole today. Seasoned chicken, 2 types of cheese, fall apart tender potatoes and some crispy bacon on top. I mean, what's not to love about this queen of comfort foods? Agree? Let's do it! You can see all the ingredients on the screen. Most people would use chicken breasts, but I prefer to go with chicken thighs. I will mention the herbs and spices I have used as we go. Let's start with the potatoes, as we need to pre-cook them for a few minutes. I've used about 3 pounds or 1.5 kilos. Peel the potatoes and cut them into medium-sized cubes. Now grab a smaller pot and cook for about 10 or 15 minutes in properly salted water. Next comes the meat. Clean the chicken thighs, trim away the excess fat and slice them into smallish pieces, just like you can see on the screen. Oh, and by the way, I've used about 1.5 pounds or 700 grams of thighs today. I like to marinate the meat for a few minutes to enhance the flavors. Add a teaspoon of red paprika, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and some salt and black pepper to taste. Mix it up and let it sit on the counter until we need it. The potatoes should be ready by now, so take them off the heat. Heat up some olive oil in a pan and go in with 1 large finely sliced onion and about 3 cloves of sliced garlic. I've said we were cooking a loaded casserole, so let's load it with flavors, right? Once the onions become translucent, it's time to add the meat and quickly saute it. We don't want to cook it fully. Give it about 5 minutes or until no more raw parts are visible. Let's move on with the potatoes while they are still hot. Add some butter and finely chopped fresh herbs. I'm using rosemary and basil today, but feel free to change this to your likings. And it's time to assemble the casserole. Brush the bottom of the baking dish with some olive oil first. Then proceed with making the first potato layer by using 1/2 of the potatoes you have. Season with salt and some black pepper. The chicken thighs go in next. Add all of them and pour in the juices too. Try to distribute the meat and juices as evenly as possible for the best results. Top the meat with shredded cheese of choice. I have used about 1/2 cup of mozzarella, but you can use your favorite type. Use the rest of the potatoes to form the top layer and again, spread them out evenly. To make sure the potatoes bind with the meat nicely, let's mix about 1/2 cup of sour cream with 2 eggs. Don't forget to add some salt and black pepper, of course. Now pour the mixture over the potatoes and again, you want it to be everywhere, even in the corners or edges of the baking dish. Let's not forget about the bacon. Small pieces like these work the best and you can add as much bacon as you want. Finish it up with a touch of salt and black pepper again. And we are ready to bake. For the initial 20 minutes, I keep the baking dish covered with aluminum foil and the temperature is set to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. After 20 minutes, remove the foil and bake for about 20 more minutes. The casserole is looking great already, but one last step is needed. Add some chopped spring onions and top it all with a nice amount of cheese again. This time I've used cheddar, but again use whatever cheese type you prefer. Back to the oven, turn the broiling mode on and give it 5 or 7 minutes. And this is what the final dish looks like. I think it turned out really great. Thanks for watching and see you again in a week or so.